Hard work, work. Hard work, work.
Hard work, that's what they say.
Hard work.
How's it going, everybody? It's Lucas Shaley with KC Pier and Kansas City Property Guys, and today we're actually out in Leawood, Kansas with Erik Lancaster, our structural consultant for KC Pier. Let's go talk to him and see what we can do with this house.
My name is Erik Lancaster. I'm the structural consultant with KC Pier Foundation Experts. We're here in Leawood today to take a look at this house, so let's go do it.
Cool. So what are we doing in here, Erik?
Well, this is an addition on this house, and a lot of times they have a tendency to fall a little bit. So I've got the laser up. I'm just going to check it out and see if these footings are compromised at all.
Cool. So does this room check out for us?
Yeah.
Awesome. So Erik, what do we got going on right over here?
Right here, I'm taking a look at some previous work that was done. The whole backyard in this house slopes down towards the house, so it's getting an immense amount of pressure from the soil and the water. I'm looking at these previous fixes to determine how far the wall is in and to determine a course of action from here.
Cool. Sounds good. So are these, how old do you think these guys are right here?
Oh, they're probably 20 years old, I'd say.
20 years, so it definitely needs some updating.
Yes.
Cool. And are these beams the right amount apart? Right length apart?
They're a little far. They're about 7 feet apart. Typically, we like to keep them 6 feet or less. And also, with regards to the supports here, this is only supported on 2 floor joists. We support on at least 3, so that you get a little bit more of an even load.
For sure.
So you know that you're about 2 inches in here. So really, most likely, we're gonna have to dig this whole wall out.
Oh man.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, it is.
Alrighty, so after assessing this house, Erik, what do you think of the foundation?
Alrighty, sir. Well, from what I could see, definitely been some movement in the past due to water and due to clay expansion, especially on the back wall. There's been signs of previous bracing a couple different ways with earth anchors and with steel I-beam braces on the inside. There's also quite a bit of signs of water intrusion along really every side of the home. So the best option at this point is going to be to do what's called an interior drain system. Now what that is basically we drop a drain inside of the foundation all the way around it and run it to 2 sump pump systems. That's going to give you a long-lasting fix for water. In fact, we put a lifetime warranty on our interior drain product. So that's really going to give you the ability and the confidence to go in and finish this basement and not have to worry about water intrusion at all for the future. Awesome.
Well, so what's with this design right here?
So this design right here is showing that we have an interior drain system that's basically running along the perimeter of the property. We're going to have 2 sump pump systems on opposite corners of the house. That's very important so that they can each take care of their own section of water and of hydrostatic pressure. This back wall right here is still a little bit in question. It is possible that we have to dig this whole back wall up and actually go in and straighten the wall as well. Once we get a little bit more tear out down there, we'll be able to come up with a better plan for that. But this right here, I'll actually take back to my office. I'll do a CAD drawing on it, and it'll show everything that we're gonna do, the full scope of repair.
Sounds great.